Guys, I'm going to read English newspaper. High voltage campaign draws to a close. Three main contenders confident. The high voltage campaigning for Delhi Assembly polls came to an end at 5 p.m. on Monday, ushering in the mandatory silence period before voting on February 5 on the final day of campaigning. The Bharatiya Janata Party has scheduled 22 road shows and rallies across Delhi, intensifying its bid to reclaim power in the capital after more than 25 years. On the other hand, the ruling Aam Aadmi Party remains confident of securing a third straight term, banking on its governance model of free welfare schemes. The Congress, which ruled the capital for 15 years until 2013, is striving to regain its lost ground after drawing a blank in the last two elections. The fiercely contested electoral battle has been defined by an unprecedented use of AI generated spoofs, sharp political jibs, and high decibel roadshows. The Election Commission's Model Code of Conduct mandates that all public meetings, election related functions, and campaigning must cease 48 hours before the close of polling according to the poll body. Any dissemination of campaign material via cinema, TV, and print media is also prohibited during this period. The elections have turned into an intense war of words, with the parties using catchy slogans and beer barbed attacks, while the AAP branded the BJP as Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian Liar Party, and Galoch Party. Gali Galoch Party, abusive party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hit back by dubbing the AAPs as Aapda disaster and its chief Arvind Kejriwal as Ghosna Mantri, Minister of Announcements. The Congress trying to claw back into Delhi's political corridor labeled Kejriwal as Furjiwal, fake, and a Chota recharge, small recharge of Modi with AI generated memes and digital campaigns dominating the narrative. The battle for Delhi has reached new levels of political discourse this time, according to the data of Delhi Chief Electoral Officer. 1.56 crore voters are eligible to cast their ballots across 13,766 polling stations on February 5. Among them, 83.76 lakh are men, 72.3 lakh women, while 1,267 are third gender voters. To facilitate a smooth voting process, 733 polling stations have been designated for persons with disabilities. The Election Commission has also introduced a queue management system application for the first time in India, allowing voters to check real time crowd levels at polling stations through the Delhi election 2025. QMS app under the home voting facility for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. 6,980 out of 7,553 eligible voters have already cast their votes. This service, which began on January 24, will continue until February 4 to ensure free and fair elections. 220 companies of paramilitary forces, 19,000 home guards, and 35,626 Delhi police personnel will be deployed. Additionally, 21,584 ballot units, 20,692 control units, and 80,943 VVPATs have been prepared, including provisions for dummy and Bareilly ballot papers. Thank you guys for watching.